Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one. I mean, it started off nicely. Price made a nice move up, got all the way up here. So there was a little breakout here that occurred on the opening 30 minutes. And then after that, just basically price totally flushed. Now, it's not as bad as it could have been, but it was still a rough day. And I say it was not as bad as it could have been because at least the price is still maintaining up above these lows right here at the 41-cent mark. I mean, had the price come all the way down there, tested 41 cents, and then broken down through 41, well, at that point, that would be a very disgusting looking chart. But like I said, it was a rough day, yes, but my point is it definitely could have been a whole lot worse. So moral of the story here, moving forward, 41 cents, definitely a very important area of support from the technical point of view, and nothing fancy or complicated behind that reasoning other than the fact of, well, that's where the bleeding stopped previously. So if the price goes down there and then the bleeding does not stop and it keeps on going, well, that just illustrates that the overall trend is just continue to make more progress in the bearish direction. Now, in the event there is any sort of upwards bounce here, nothing new here to report. Assuming you've watched past videos, I talked about that purple line quite a bit. And, this is exactly why you can see that it was presented problems there. Now, this morning, the price did get up above it, like I pointed out earlier. But like I said, that momentum disappeared very quickly. Back down below the purple line went. And then the rest was history as the price continued to trend downwards. But if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, then yeah, nothing changes here. Still all about that purple line. And not necessarily can the price break above it, but much more importantly, can the price actually stay above it? So keep an eye on that area moving forward. But yeah, not a great way to start off the week, but we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.